Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying basics that actually fix most issues. Confirm your cellular plan is active and not suspended, then toggle airplane mode or power cycle the device. Wait 30 seconds to clear radio state. Once done, remove and reset the SIM card or swap with a known good SIM to isolate hardware versus network account problems. These first actions reset the modem and clear temporary faults, so make sure to perform them before moving on to deeper diagnostics. Next, dig into settings and diagnostics to pinpoint the fault. Manually select your carrier network and test different radio modes, 4G, LTE, or 5G, because band selection affects coverage. Once done, reset network settings to remove bad configurations and install any carrier or OS updates that fix modem bugs. Then run carrier diagnostics or field test mode to read signal strength and cell ID, which tells you whether the issue is local hardware, tower congestion, or provisioning. These steps narrow the problem quickly. Finally, apply advanced fixes and plan escalation. If diagnostics point to weak RF or hardware, replace the antenna or get the device inspected. If provisioning is wrong, the carrier can reprovision the SIM/MZ at the store. Meanwhile, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a femtosal/signal booster as a reliable workaround. If still unresolved, document your tests, include signal logs and timestamps, and escalate to carrier technical support. This speeds resolution because you can show exactly what you tested and why the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.